Hi friends, welcome back. So now we are going to see the receivables management part 2. Here we are going to see the practical sums and some formulas which will be asked in question maybe in the numerator. So first is control of accounts receivables. So as we have seen the debtors, we need to manage them, and how we can manage them, we have to see that what is the outstanding amount of debtors, and then we can manage them. So these are the various formulas which helps us to classify the debtors and then manage them. First is days sales outstanding. So as the name states, it gives us the information of the outstanding debtors on a particular date, that how much are the outstanding debtors on this particular day. So days sales outstanding is equal to debtors upon average daily sales into number of dates. It's a very easy formula which can be remembered, and it's quite easy to calculate. So what the businessman does, he gets this ratio, and then if the ratio is high, if we have more sales outstanding, he will try to reduce the debtors or reduce giving credit. Next is aging schedule. It is again a very easy concept where the debtors are classified according to the age, and what's the real purpose behind that is, as we know, 0 to 30 and 31 to 60 is earning age group, who have the capacity of repaying it more, and 61 to 90 and 90 and 90 and above are the age groups which is generally a retirement age group where the earning capacity is low. So generally over here, what is the purpose of classifying the debtors into the age is to see how many debtors we have in earning capacity and how many in non-earning capacity. So if we have non-earning capacity debtors more, what we will try is to reduce it, and what we will try to increase is earning capacity debtors, because there will be no bad debts or very less bad debts from the earning capacity, and the chances of bad debts from non-earning capacity debtors are more. Next is ABC analysis of receivables, which maybe we have done many times. So ABC analysis is a very easy concept of analysis, which we maybe do in our real life also. For example, we categorize three subjects which we have in three categories. Maybe you will find corporate financial accounting hard, so you will place it in category A. Then you find financial management moderates, you will place it in category B. And you find GST easy, so you will place GST in category C. Now what you will do, you will focus more on which category? A, because you find it hard. Then you will focus on B, and then last you will go for C. So same is ABC analysis in case of debtors or receivables management. Here what we do, we categorize the debtors according to their holding capacity, or you can say outstanding amount. Now in this case, for example, in this case, A category have 15% of debtors. Number of debtors is just 15%, but they hold 75% of outstanding amount. B has 35% of debtors which hold 20% of amount. C has almost half, 50% of debtors, but hold just 5% of outstanding amount. So what we will focus more on is category A, because 15% लोगों के पास 70% amount outstanding is. So we will try to reduce it, and we will try to more focus on A, then we will move to B, and then we will concentrate on C. So this is the ABC analysis of receivable. Here where we have taken credit sales same for 3 years, in this incremental approach we will increase sales. So it is assumed that the credit sales will be increasing. Rest all is same, that we will deduct the cost of credits. We will project cost of credit sale, that is administrative cost, variable and fixed. Then we will project bad debt and cash discount, and we will get profit from deducting this cost from credit sales. We will get profit before tax. Then we will project the tax, that is we will get the tax, we will get after deducting tax profit after tax. Then we will just deduct the opportunity cost. Now this is the same formula just written in uh, two different points. The same formula, that is cost of credit sales into collection period upon 360 or 365 days into required rate of return, that is opportunity cost. We will get net benefit and we will adopt best policy. The formula remains changed. The difference is it is assumed that credit sale will be increased, and because of that what will be the changes. Now there are few important formulas which can be used as shortcut for solving the sums. So the formulas are to find a average collection period. So this is the period in which we collect the money back from the debtors. So the formula is very easy, 365 or 360 days. Now why both the days are given? Because it is always mentioned in the question. So you can assume any amount, any number of this, but mostly the number will be given in the question, divided by average receivable turnover ratio. Now what is average receivable turnover ratio? It is easy. Average receivable turnover ratio meaning is from sales, from credit sales, how many average debtors we have got and how many have returned us the amount. और मतलब सेल्स किया हमने 10 लाख का, उसमें से 8 लाख डेटर्स ने हमको पैसे लौटाए. सो द एवरेज टर्नओवर रेशियो इज 10/8, मतलब 10 में से 8 लोग हमको पैसा वापस लौटाते. इट्स वेरी इजी. सो it's net credit sales upon average debtors. Account receivables are the debtors. So credit sales upon debtors. So whenever we will get turnover ratio, sales is always in numerator. So credit sales upon average debtors. And similarly, for getting average collection period, there is another formula, that is average debtor per day upon average creditor, average credit sales per day. So this is some of the important formulas. Now we will see some numericals, the basic numericals which may be asked in the questions. First is, here it is given 80% of sales of rupees 10 lakh of a firm are on credit. So total sales are of 10 lakh. So in this chapter, what is important to us is just credit sales. So what are credit sales over here? 8 lakh. 80% of 10 lakh, that is 8 lakh. It has receivable turnover of 8. Receivable turnover ratio उन्होंने दिया है, that is 8%. What is the average collection period? So they have asked us average collection period. They have given the year of 360 days and average debtors of the firm. So what we have to find? Average collection period, average debtors. So average collection period, we have seen formula 360 upon average turnover ratio. Now both the things are given. So 360 upon 8 is equal to 45 days. Now average turnover ratios formula is what? Net credit sales upon average debtors. So we have average turnover ratio, we have net credit sales. What we don't have is average debtors. So average debtors goes over here, 8 comes in denominator, and the average debtors amount is 1 lakh. So it's very easy. Just we need to remind this both formulas, that is 360 upon average turnover ratio, and average turnover ratio is equal to net credit sales upon average debtors. And average debtors is average of anything which we have in question is find out by opening plus closing upon 2. Maybe we will not be asked about it because it's just 2 marks questions. So we will be getting some simple questions like this. This is again a numerical. Now here it is asked, when a company offers credit terms of 2/10 net 30, the annual interest cost based on a 360-day year is. So I will explain this now. We have seen in last part that what is this? 2/10 means 2% cash discount will be allowed if payment is done in 10 days, and net 30 is due date is within 30 days. So अगर 30 days में भरोगे तो कुछ नहीं, अगर 10 days में भरोगे तो 2% कैश डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. यस. सो there is a simple formula which we need to by heart in this question. So discount is 2%, before due date is 10 days to get discount, and due date is within 30 days. So cost of interest का formula है discount upon 1 minus discount. 1 matlab it is assumed that 1 is the 1 rupee is the amount of sales or amount of debtors, the receivable. So 1 minus 2% into 360, that is number of days in a year, upon 30 minus 10. Why we reduce this 10? Because it's a discount. First 10 days are of discount, so we will reduce those discount from 30 days. So similarly denominator में क्या किया, 1 minus discount किया, and इसमें भी 30 minus discount का days किया into 100. It's very easy. So discount upon 1 minus discount into 360 upon due date minus discount due date. So we will into 100 and we will get the answer. So here answer comes 36.73. So we have option D. So we will select over here option D. Next. So here the question is, if a firm's credit terms require payment within 45 days, that is normal due date, but allow a discount of 2% if 15 days, using a 360-day year, the approximate cost or benefit of the trade credit terms is. So same, it's a similar question. Okay, so normal due date 45 है, discount 2% है, and 15 is the discounting due date. So the answer will be, you can calculate, the answer is 2% upon 1 minus 2% into 360 upon 45 minus 15 into 100 is equal to 25%. The option is D. Then come next question. Here it is given LW company has the opportunity to increase annual sales. तो annual sales दिया है of rupees 1 lakh by selling to a new risker group of customers. Based on sales, the bad debt is expected to be cost will be 5%. So यहाँ पे हमको sales दिया है, यहाँ पे bad debts का amount percentage दिया है, and collection cost का percent दिया है. The company's manufacturing and selling expenses are 70%. तो यहाँ पे जो administrative cost है, manufacturing and selling expenses, वो भी दिया है. एंड इट्स इफेक्टिव टैक्स रेट भी दिया है 40%. तो हमारा जो फॉर्मूला था दैट इज क्रेडिट सेल्स माइनस ऑल द कॉस्ट, सेल्स माइनस कॉस्ट, व्हाट वी विल गेट, प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स. यस, प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स. Yes, then what we do, minus tax, and we get profit after tax. So it's easy. So let's see the solution. Okay, I will rub this. So annual sales are of 1 lakh less manufacturing expenses. Okay, so manufacturing expenses 70% of sales, so 1 lakh ka 70%, 70,000, we get 30,000. Then we deduct bad debts that are 15%. Now here they have given it is based on sales, so 15% on 1 lakh 15,000, 5% on 1 lakh 5,000, we will get the balance of 10,000, less tax rate 40%. So प्रॉफिट पे ही टैक्स होता है. ओके, सो 1 लाख पे 40% नहीं लेना है. द प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स दैट इज 10,000 पे 40% दैट इज 4,000, एंड वी विल गेट द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ 6,000 which is option B. Sorry. So it's very easy. So next question. Here it is given PP Limited is considering a change in its credit terms from N30 to 210 N30. N मीन्स नेट 32 टू 10 नेट 30. मतलब इनका क्या था पहले नॉर्मल दे हैड नेट 30 मतलब कुछ डिस्काउंट नहीं था ड्यू डेट ऑफ 30 days. नाउ दे हैव डिसाइडेड टू गिव डिस्काउंट ऑफ 2% for payment within 10 days and due date is same 30 days. So the company's budgeted sales for the coming year are 2 lakh 40 2 crore 40 lakhs of which 90% are expected to be on credit. तो sales कितने हैं 2 crore 40 lakhs उसमें से 90% are credit and what we need is credit sales. तो इसका 90% निकालेंगे. If the new credit terms are adopted, P Limited estimates that discounts will be taken on 50% of credit sales. However, bad debts will be unchanged. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर न्यू पॉलिसी हमने लिया of changing this, getting 2% of discount for payment within 10 days, the discount will be allowed on 50% of the credit sales. मतलब credit sales जो हम निकालेंगे उसका 50% लेंगे and उस पर discount निकालेंगे. Actually the question seems big but the solution is very easy. What we have to do first, credit sale निकालना है 90% कितना आएगा 2.4 करोड़ पे 90 lakhs, sorry 90% we will get credit sales. credit sale का 50% करो and उस पे discount दो 2%. The solution will be sales 2,40,000, credit sales 90% कितना आया 2 crore 16 lakhs, then 50% of discount करके कितना आया 50% for a discount. So discount is applicable only on 50%. तो credit sale का 50% है 1 crore 8 lakhs and then 2% discount on 1 crore 8 lakhs is 2,16,000. So the option is option A. We'll see the next question. Okay, so here question is Best Computers believes that its collection cost could be reduced through modification of collection procedures. This action is expected to result in lengthening of the average collection period from 28 to 34 days. However, there will be no change in bad debts. The company's budgeted credit sales for the coming year are 2 crore 70 lakhs and short-term interest rates are expected to average 8%. To make the changes in collection procedures cost beneficial, the minimum savings in collection cost using a 360-day year for the coming year would have been. This is also an very easy sum. It may be, you may find it a lengthy sum, but it's very easy. तो इसमें क्या पूछा है कि in new procedure what they are going to do 28 days का जो collection period है वो कितना करेंगे 34 days करेंगे. Okay, this is the change they are going to do and the sales are 2 crore 70 lakhs. तो इसमें क्या करना है हमको find the opportunity cost, generally minimum savings करना है. तो देखना है कैसे करेंगे. So the solution is over here. First opportunity cost ढूंढेंगे for both the ओल्ड एंड न्यू डेज. तो डेज से ही सब डिफर होने वाला है ना, बाकी कुछ चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी चेंजेस डेज. सो फर्स्ट कॉस्ट ऑफ क्रेडिट सेट्स 2 crore 70 lakhs into 28 upon 360 into 8%. So we have got using 28 days अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट कितना है 1,68,000 एंड न्यू कॉस्ट कैसे आएगा 34 डेज से. सो 2 crore 70 lakhs into 34 upon 360 into 8% we will get 2,04,000. तो सेविंग्स कितना रिक्वायर्ड है क्योंकि देखो अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट क्या हो रहा है डेज बढ़ने से बढ़ रहा है. यस तो अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट अगर बढ़ने वाला है So we need to do savings of 30,000 elsewhere to not get extra loss. So answer is 36,000. Option D. It's very easy. सिर्फ हमको वो फॉर्मूला याद होना चाहिए and फॉर्मूला में कन्वर्ट होना. The next question is P Limited's present sales is 20 lakhs. तो present sale दिया है 20 lakhs and has extended credit period to net 45 days. तो उन्होंने credit period कितना किया? Net 45. The company is expecting to increase its sales by 5,000. तो sales कितना बढ़ने वाला है? 5,000 and contribution to sales ratio is 20. Is the additional profit arising out of a new sales? It's a very easy. This type of question may be asked in exam. So क्या पूछ रहे हैं कि additional profit 20 लाख sales है वो अगले साल बढ़ने वाला है 5 लाख से. Okay, so they are asking कि न्यू प्रॉफिट एडिशनल प्रॉफिट कितने होने वाला है. सो जनरली प्रॉफिट कंट्रीब्यूशन इज इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट. ओके, कंट्रीब्यूशन प्रॉफिट को ही कंट्रीब्यूशन बोलते हैं. सो कंट्रीब्यूशन और प्रॉफिट क्या होता है? सेल्स माइनस कॉस्ट. यस, तो दोनों का फॉर्मूला सेम है, सेल्स माइनस कॉस्ट. और अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला उन्होंने क्या दिया है? कंट्रीब्यूशन टू सेल्स रेशियो. मतलब कंट्रीब्यूशन टू सेल्स रेशियो परसेंट ऑफ सेल. कितना परसेंट ऑफ सेल हमारा प्रॉफिट है? दैट इज द प्रॉफिट रेशियो. यस, सो अगर सेल बढ़ेगा तो क्या बढ़ेगा? प्रॉफिट. कितने से बढ़ेगा? जितने से सेल बढ़ेगा. सो इट्स वेरी इजी. द सॉल्यूशन इज contribution is equal to profit is equal to 20% of sales. क्वेश्चन में ही दिया है 20%. So increase in profit is equal to increase in sales to 20% of sales is equal to 20% of 5 lakh which it comes to 1 lakh. तो जनरली ये जो नेट 45 वगैरह डेज दिया है इट्स टू कंफ्यूज यू. इट्स ऑफ नो यूज इन दिस क्वेश्चन बिकॉज डायरेक्टली अगर सेल्स बढ़ेगा तो प्रॉफिट बढ़ेगा. कितने से? सेम रेशियो से, बिकॉज कंट्रीब्यूशन टू सेल्स रेशियो दिया हुआ है. सो डायरेक्टली वी विल गेट द आंसर व्हिच इज ऑप्शन A. So it's very easy. So yes, this was the lecture for accounts receivable. Hope you liked it, and maybe if you want the solutions and questions of more numericals, and if you want an mock test on financial management, you can contact me on WhatsApp. The contact details are given in the description box, and the next video for inventory management is coming in few minutes, so maybe you will also get to know the other concepts also. And after just doing this 4 videos of 2 chapters, you will be done with the studies for internal tests and all of you will get out of marks. Thank you. And if there are any suggestions or doubt, you can post it in comment box, and just subscribe, like, and press the bell button down there to get the notification of upcoming lectures. Thank you.